If the photos on your iPhone always have a split-second movement in them, almost like you've shot a video clip, it's because you have the live photo feature enabled. To turn off live photos on your phone, open up your camera. Tap this little grid on the top of your screen, and then look for the Live button. If it's turned on, tap it to turn it off. If you're using an older version of iOS, the camera app is going to look a little different. On older versions, you'd see a little Live button up here in the top left corner, where you can toggle it on or off. Even after turning off live photos, your camera settings might automatically reset next time you're using your camera. To prevent that from happening, go to Settings and scroll down to your camera settings. Go to the Preserve Settings menu. Here you can choose which camera settings will be preserved, so they remain the same every time you open up your camera. The toggle on top will preserve the camera mode, but for live photos, you'll want to scroll all the way down. Make sure the live photo toggle here is turned on. That way your phone remembers the live photo setting and will not reset it automatically. And that's how you turn off live photos. Even though it's a nice idea to capture a video snippet every time you're taking a photo, I personally always found live photos annoying and unnecessary. If I want video, I'll capture video. Anyways, click that like button if this was helpful, and subscribe for more easy and quick guides like this.